Hello people, I'm gonna give you 5 advantage of using Pixel. But before I give you the 5 advantage, I want you to know that Pixel has its own procedures. To use these are 5 benefits advantage of using pixels to run your Facebook ads. The 5 advantage are: it helps in creating a customer's audience. It helps to create customers audience, and it also helps in accurately tracking your conversion. And pixels help in retargeting your audience. When you want to retarget your ads on Facebook, when you use pixel, it helps to retarget your ads on Facebook, and it also helps in creating a look-alike audience for you, and it also helps in optimizing your ads campaigns. These are 5 advantage of using pixels to run your ads on Facebook. In order to be able to use pixel, you must have either a website, a landing page, or a Shopify app store, like a store online where you sell your products and services. These are the things you need to have in order to be able to utilize pixel. Get more information on how to grow your brands on social media, how to use social media marketing tools, and most of all, how to take your brand out there, how to create an awareness for your brand, how to sell your products on social media, how to create the ads that convert. Subscribe to my channel so that you get more informations on how to sell on Facebook and how to run ads that convert. Like I said, guys, that I was going to show you how to open your Facebook pixel on your Facebook page, how to identify your Facebook pixel, and how to set it up. But there's a procedure to setting it up. So what you do first, if you go to your Facebook page, you know how I got to this page. This is the ad manager setting. What you do, this is the setup. This ad manager setup. You click on this page, and like I said, Facebook pixel, it's pixel is actually what is used to track the number of people that comes to your websites, and through that you can able to convert your traffic, the people that come to your to conversion to sales. That is the essence of using Facebook pixel. Facebook pixel helps to generate the number of people that traffic that comes to your website or your Shopify store or your ClickFunnels store. For you to have for you to install a Facebook pixel on your on to use a Facebook pixel to run your Facebook ads, you must definitely have a website. And to have a website, that is where you now carry the code and you put on the website. So this is the procedure. You go to ad manager, you see where you have ad manager, click on it. When you click on it, after logging to your Facebook ad account, you click on it, it will take you here. Then you go down, you see where you have your event manager. The event manager, you click on it, it will take you to this page. So this is where I had created a Facebook pixel for this company, Olivia Medical Diagnosis Center. They already have a Facebook pixel. So when you go there, you see where your data source is. Click on it. So this was their Facebook pixel informations on their website. It was actually linked to their website. So when they run ads, any traffic they send it down to that website, and the whoever that visit the website, whatever thing that go on the website, the Facebook pixel will generate all the informations and bring it back to you. So these are all the activities that took place on that website. So this is all the activities that took place on the website. So if you want to create your own Facebook pixel, just go to add events. So it will show you from, are you going from a new website, or add the pixel to a new website to start sending events for it. So you can click on it. But I'll to install Facebook pixel on your website, you just go to Google, type on how to install Facebook pixel on is it your Shopify store, how to install Facebook pixel on your ClickFunnels, how to install Facebook pixel on your website. So it will give you step by step information on how to download the Facebook pixel. And this category carry entail you to have a little bit of knowledge of how to create websites. But if you go through that step-by-step procedure, when you go to Google, just type on a new tab and how to create, just type how to create Facebook pixel, how to install Facebook pixel on my website. It will give you a step-by-step information on how to. Then where you go, you can now generate traffic to your page, which will help, the pixel will help to monitor the set of activities that have been going on that your website or your Shopify store, then give you a database. So through that, you can use it to generate another traffic for conversions, which will help to convert most of all the people that actually will buy. So that's the procedure, and that's how to go about it.